Hello, top people. I am Nishita. Welcome to the Nivi site of obsession. Are you all shocked, right? Nivi is not going to attend this session, and we are going to take over this obsession. We are very much excited to take over this today's session. We may not take over Nivi, but we will try to make you all energetic and happy by making some activities and with some videos. And even we have some surprising video at the end. So, Violet, let us start this obsession with a blog. Over to you, Sandhya.
Thank you, Rishta. So let us read a blog of Nivedita. Pranit, can you present it? Appreciation. Yes, most of them say that if we appreciate others, then it may lead to their overconfidence towards the things that they are doing or going to do. But it's actually wrong. It will make people feel high about themselves and it will let their inner talent come out, and in this way they will excel more. Because for me, when I receive appreciation, I feel happy. At the same time, I feel responsible to take more initiative and I get lot more interest towards the things I do. Not only me, many people are like us. They feel happy, they feel confidence, they feel blessed, they feel strong, they believe in themselves. So appreciation is not just a word, it's a valuable and a precious gift you are giving to it to a person. I totally believe in it. Appreciation makes people high about themselves. Appreciation makes people believe in their abilities. Appreciation makes people to understand their strength. Appreciation makes people to be strong in helpless situations. Appreciation makes people to live happily without any bothersome because they knew who they are by our appreciations. So if once a person start believing in their own strength, then life becomes simple somehow. You are actually helping the person to understand their abilities. It means you are adding value to a person. Be proud of what you all are doing. Only few doer does this. The one who is reading this, yes, you. You all are stars who always bring shine in other people life. Thank you, Nivi, for expressing so beautifully about appreciation. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandhya, for reading this blog. It was a wonderful blog. And the blog itself gives us essence of calling Nivi as Mana Nivi. So, let us get into some another activity. Over to you, Spurti.
Yeah. Hey, we recently celebrated Raksha Bandhan, right? I want to say my experience about it. Yeah, I went to Hyderabad to tie Rakhi to my brother. Yeah, we chilled out and I slept at 12 o'clock. He woke me at 3 o'clock and said that, did you అసలు పండుకున్నావా లైట్ ఆన్ చేసి బెడ్షీట్ తీసేసి స్ఫూర్తి పండుకున్నావా అని లేపాడు. These annoying things. Siblings are like Tom and Jerry. We fight, we care, we love, we do annoying things. So you can share your experience here. Please raise your hand to share your experience. Yeah, go ahead, Shivanika.
Yeah. So we are two daughters to our parents, and I am more than a child in my home. So I do few things అల్లరి పనులు అంటారు కదా, చిన్న వాళ్ళు ఆర్ మేడ్ ఫర్ దట్ అల్లరి మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్స్. సో అంటే ఎక్కడైనా వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు మా అక్క ఇట్లా ఎక్కడైనా ఇట్లా ఇక్కడ నుండి ఎక్కడైనా వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అది తే ఇది తే అని ఐ కీప్ టెల్లింగ్ హర్ అండ్ విసిగిస్తా ఉంటా అనమాట. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు అంటే ఊరికే ఇక it gives some fun and all. So thank you, Spurti.
Thank you, Akka, for sharing. Kushala, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. I actually have an elder brother. He's 5 years apart from me. And actually, it is quite reverse in my situation. I stay silent at home, but he comes and annoys me each and every time. Even if I do my work sincerely with a lot of concentration, or else if I just watch any YouTube or anything, he comes and he disturbs me continuously. That I actually yell at him saying, "You just go out of the house," many times, because I'm just so much annoyed by him. But he takes care of me as if I'm a small kid, even though I'm 18. And yeah, this is quite, even though it is annoying and irritating sometimes, but I like it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Kushala, for sharing your funny things. Anybody want to say? You can raise your hand. Yeah, Nishita, go ahead.
Yes, I have an younger brother. So we always fight. But and also on Raksha Bandhan, our day started with fight. And like, but when it comes to the things like when I'm needed, immediately he helps me. So if I'm in another work, he'll just help me all the time. If I tell him to bring that something, he will brings me. He will always be at back of me, and I'm so glad to have my brother. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishita. Anybody want to say? You can raise your hand. Dhanush Anna, carry on.
Yes, siblings. Uh, Not. I think. Yes. If we want to talk much more and more and more, I think we can talk from the. That will be something like golden age. Nearly, I don't know why it is missing after 10th class, and it will be continued even after 10th class in some of the houses. But till 9th class, that is golden age after going to home. If they are both in the same school, and that is even in the, while going to school and while coming to school also. But even though we fights every day in our home, but out of the home, if anybody touches our brother or our sister in other way, we won't leave at all, whatever it might be. There will be some patience for the elder ones there, but if the younger ones, because my brother bet someone two times who tried to always yeah, who always try to something like he's doing something for me. And I don't know, because at that time I don't know what to say, because I appreciated my brother at that time. I don't know what to say. So initial yeah, Kushala is one of the member who really who really treated me something like a brother. Yeah. Everyone treated. I don't know. I cannot say only Kushala, because she always uh, he always calls me in some other way, so that I can still be confident that I'm a brother for him. And what? Yeah, while talking to anyone, something like in college, there is something like junior and senior, but this made me not in the annoyment. I don't know how the things went, but it's really the golden. I mean, the golden feel. I don't know how to express that feelings, but those are really important. How we celebrate each other, and that is the real moment. Like Tom and Jerry, they celebrate each and every moment, and they makes others happy through their actions, and that's I see here too, and that's happening every day since 1.5 years. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Anna. Those words to Shani Akka. You can.
I think Kranti raised his hand earlier.
You can speak.
Thank you, Spurti. I have my elder sister. We spend time together and we have fun and we chit chat together. I can't say that we will fight always, but we will fight sometimes and we can have more fun together. One day recently, my sister suffered with fever. Uh, in the midnight, suddenly she felt fear and said to me that once give your hand, Johnny, and said, and then took my hand and kept under her head and she slept. She felt normal for a meanwhile. Then I came to know that how can the situation can impact her. How she felt strong at that moment when I gave her hand. I can feel. Uh, and later after 30 minutes she woke up. She woke up, but she can feel that I am there. I am there behind her. Thank you.
Yeah, it's really cute. And Shivani Akka, you can say.
యా అంటే ధనుష్ చెప్పినట్టు ఒక రోజు ఏమైందంటే మా అక్కని అంటే చిన్నప్పుడు ఇట్ వాజ్ లైక్ మా అక్క ఒక థర్డ్ ఫోర్త్ నేను ఒక సెకండ్ సంథింగ్. అయితే ఎవరో ఏడిపిస్తున్నారు అన్నట్టు ఏడుస్తుంది మా అక్క. అంటే మా స్కూల్ గేట్ లైక్ ఎండింగ్ అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఎంట్రన్స్ లో ఆగుతుంది నేను వచ్చే వరకు. నా అంటే ఇద్దరం కలిసి వెళ్ళేటోళ్ళం లంచ్ కి. సో ఆగింది. అదే ఏడుస్తుండే. ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు అంటే ఒకళ్ళు ఏడిపించారు అన్నట్టు చూపించింది అనమాట. ఇక నాకు ఉడికే రక్తం ఇక వెళ్ళి అంటే పొట్ట మీద పని చేసిన కథం. మీ అక్క జోలికి వెళ్ళనమ్మా అంటే చిన్నదాన్ని, ఆయనకి ఏం దెబ్బలు తాకలే అయినా ఇక దట్ వాస్ ఫన్నీ.
చాలా ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ అందరికి అయ్యి ఉంటాయి అక్కయినా. ఎనీబడి వాంట్ టు సే ఎనీథింగ్? Apurva, you can.
Apurva, go ahead.
Similar. When I was in first class, మా చెల్లి అప్పుడే నర్సరీలో వేశారు. సేమ్ శివాని అక్క లాంటి స్టోరీ. అయితే లైక్ ఇంట్లో చాలా కొట్టుకునే వాళ్ళం చెల్లి నేను. అసలు ఒక్క నిమిషం కూడా లైక్ వి డిడ్ నాట్ యూస్ టు లైక్ ఒక ఐడియల్ సిస్టర్ లాంటి అది ఉండకపోయేది. బట్ స్కూల్కి వచ్చాక ఫస్ట్ డే టీచర్స్ ఒక మ్యామ్ అయితే చాలా మీ చెల్లిని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతా అని లైక్ కలవనీయలేదు స్కూల్లో. అంటే ఆ మ్యామ్ మీద నేను ఆ స్కూల్ నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయేదాకా ఇలా మైండ్ లో ఒకటి ఫిక్స్ అయి ఉండేది, ఇలా ఇది మా చెల్లిని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతుందేమో అని. అండ్ దెన్ సేమ్ మా చెల్లి తమ్ముడిది కూడా సేమ్ ఉండేది. ఒక రోజు ఒక కూరగాయల బండి వచ్చేది మా ఇంటి ముందుకి. అండ్ ఆ తాతయ్య చెప్పేయాలన్నమాట లైక్ మీ తమ్ముడిని మాకు ఇచ్చేయు అంటే మా చెల్లి ఆయన వచ్చే టైంకి వెళ్ళి చూసి, అంటే మా తమ్ముడి దగ్గరే ఉండేది తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతారేమో అని చెప్పి.
Thank you, Apurva. It was really cute. And Nishita, you can.
Yeah. Through this ESL also we got many akkalu and annalu. We are celebrating each other. We are having that feel. It's a top family, I can say. Now it's another family to me. So I'm so thankful to all my brothers and sisters also. Thank you.
Yeah, we are lucky to have them. Yeah. Anybody want to say anything? Let's end this activity then. Okay. Let's do another activity. Let's watch an interesting video. Pranit, you can present it.
There are so many people in the world who are dreaming to live a life that you are living right now. You have no idea. Embrace each and every breath that you are taking. Celebrate your life. Live it. Don't die before your death. We all die. We live this one routine of a day for 75 years and we call it life. No, that's not life. If you're still thinking why you have been sent here, if you're still juggling with the concept of why you are here, you haven't lived yet. You work hard, you make money, you do it for yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek for people who need your help, you make their lives better. You become that sponge which can absorb all the negativity, and you become that person who can emit beautiful positive vibes. And when you realize that you have changed someone's life, and because of you, this person didn't give up, that is the day when you live. Always. We were talking about gratitude, why I smile all the time. I cry all night when nobody sees me, because I'm a human and I have to keep the balance. And I smile all day because I know that if I will smile, I can make people smile. That keeps me going. Be grateful for what you have, and you will always, always end up having more. But if you'll cry and if you'll crib for the little things that you don't have or the things that you've lost, you will never ever have enough. Sometimes we are too busy thinking about the things that we don't have that we forget to cherish the blessings that we have. Live your life fully. Accept yourself the way you are. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. I'll repeat, be kind to yourself, and only then you can be kind to others. Love yourself and spread that love. Life will be hard, there will be turmoils, there will be trials, but that will only make you stronger. Never give up. The real happiness doesn't lie in money or success or fame. I have this all, I never wanted this. Real happiness lies in gratitude. So be grateful, be alive, and live every moment.
Yeah, we should be grateful for our lives. And you can, if you want, you can speak. You can raise your hand about this video.
Yeah, thank you for sharing, Spurti, Praneeth, and the team. This is one of the videos which which I used to watch. Uh, so she says that if we are kind to ourselves, we can be kind to others. If you do not love yourself, how you are going to love others? If you are not accepting yourself, how you will accept others the way they are? Like, no matter who you are, you should be loving yourself and making, like, this journey, this life journey of yours, a memorable day every day, like a memorable moment. You don't know what tomorrow happens, or you don't know, right? So yeah, thank you, Spurti.
Thank you, Akka. Those are really true. We should be thankful that we are having a good life and we are healthy. Many people don't have those, and we should be grateful for our life. We should help someone. And thank you, Akka, for sharing. And anybody want to say anything? You can raise. Dhanushana, you can say.
Yeah, yes, Purti. And thank you so much for playing that video, because the every word that means a lot and lot and lot, because yes, they are the needed ones. Success or fame may or may not exist every time, but happiness you create will make a moment that exists lifelong till the death. Success may alter based on the money or the things what you consider, but the happiness will really last lifelong. And yeah, I think these words are should be redefined once again. Aspire to inspire before you expire, and that's not inspire, and that's make, yes, of course, to inspire, to make others also happy, to inspire, not never to give up. That should be redefined and should be explained in another way, so that every word can make a gratitude meaning, or a happy meaning, or the real meaning that I believe. And that's what we all are making in one or the other form of the way. And that's, thank you for everyone in contributing this whole positive energy spread through everyone. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you, Anna, for wonderfully saying. And Apurva, you can go ahead.
Raniaka Dhanushana beautifully said. I watched this video even before, and when I watched it, this point really touched me. Be kind to yourselves. I think that is very important. I mean, be kind to yourselves means that uh, don't hurt yourself. When will we get hurt? When some negative vibes or negative senses get like ante if we have jealousy or if we have anger or something like that, negative senses like that hurts us, like we don't realize, but they really hurt a lot. They create that uncomfortable feeling in us. So I think you know like not having all of them. It's not easy. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన it's not easy for me to not become angry at a point of time, but reducing అంటే కొంచెం if we could control a little bit of it, we could be very happy. And if we could be kind to ourselves, world becomes a heaven. Like our own world becomes a heaven. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Apurva, for saying beautiful words. Nishita, you can say.
Thank you, Spurti. Yes, as she said in the video, like we should never think about the things which are done or things which have lost in the past, and we have to just go on. We have to think about our future. How can we make better future? How can we be the best version of ourselves? We have to try for that, and we should never think about the things which are happened or which we have lost or whatever. So we have to just go on to this, and we should be grateful in our life because it is very much important. And being grateful is the way the success begins, I believe in, after entering into the e-self. So thank you.
Thank you, Nishita. And Kushala, you can say.
Yes. Actually, thank you for playing this video. It's really very meaningful. And what I wanted to say is, every one of us might feel at any point that our life is not worth, or we might feel low at any point. It might be at any age. And what I wanted to say is that it only lasts for few minutes. Those thoughts only last for few minutes, and we should first of all, whenever we get those thoughts, we should first talk within ourselves rather than taking any aggressive decisions or any sort of things. And also, many people want to live like us. Like, we might not know it, but there might be people who are grateful for us, right? So we should never take our life granted. That's what I wanted. Thank you.
Thank you, Kushala. Ramakrishna, you can go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for giving this opportunity. I want to share one more motivation of her. What she said actually. She said that the words can make you, break you, can heal your soul anywhere. So try to use positive words in your life wherever you go. Right? They call in presence of her. I am saying right. She has disability, right? So try to listen this. They call it adversity. I call it opportunity. They call it weakness. I call it strength. They call me disabled. I call myself differently able. They see my disability. I see my ability, right? So what I'm going to say is, you all people are saying that she lost something. She said that were lost people who lost, they cry for that particular situation, particular thing, and particular person or everything. Instead of saying that word, she is the example in this motivation, right? Instead of indicating a person, herself given as example and said its whole things. See how the way she says, right? They call herself disabled, but she call herself differently able, right? అంటే వేరే వాళ్ళ అవసరం లేకుండా తనకు తాను ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా చెప్పి ఆ మోటివేషన్ అనేది ఇచ్చింది అన్నట్టు. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సే. I always remember this motivation, right? Instead of you playing that video, I am remembering that motivation. That's what I'm going to say. Thank you.
Beautiful words, Ramakrishna. Thank you for expressing. Sandhya, you can speak.
I can see the video in our life. Not only అంటే హార్డ్ వర్క్ మనీ ఒకటే కాదు, అవి ఉన్నా కానీ మనకు ఎదుటి వాళ్ళకు అదర్ పీపుల్స్కి హెల్ప్ చేయాలని అనిపించింది ఆ వీడియోలో.
Thank you, Sandhya, for expressing, for coming forward and expressing. And yeah, let's do another activity. Thank you for expressing. By first of all, let's do another activity. She's adorable. She's amazing. She's multi-talented. She cares for us. She's hard worker. She loves us. She's Mananivi. Let's start our second part of our session, revealing the surprise. Over to you, Pranit.
शामें मलंग सी, रातें सुरंग सी, बागी उड़ान पे ही न जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए.
To Nivi, thanks for coming into my life. You are my first friend in this college. You are amazing, fantastic, caring friend. I can't say about you in words. Just I love you. Thanks for coming into my life.
Okay, Vaishu is not there. Hello, my dear Nimi. You are amazing and super power girl. I like your obsession in every week, and we learn so many new things in your obsession. You are always there for me. Your write up is too good, Nivi. I like way you are expressing. You are always told anything with smile. I really like that way. Love you, Nivi. You are Vaishu.
Hey, my dear Nivi, you know what? You make so many of us happy just by expressing yourself. You do not know how big it is. The way you are growing is helping me do more and more and express more. You are one of my favorite people, my girl. I love you so much. Shavanti is not there. Okay.
Hey Nivi, your obsession has been a great motivation for me. You always come up with some innovation ideas. Your messages, your posts, and the amazing stories in the book have really inspired me. I feel connected whenever you express, and I feel like they are relatable for me. Your way of expression is unique, Nivi. Thank you so much for letting me express and guiding us. We can see your efforts and dedication towards your obsession, and the way you lead the session with confidence is very impressive. Thank you, Nivi, for supporting me from the beginning. I am glad that I know you, and you are one of my closest friends who understands me so well. From Shravanti.
Hey Nivi, we are missing you and missing your essence in today's obsession, but happy to organize your obsession. Like saying about you means I just get smile on my face and collect some of the beautiful moments we have. And saying about what you are doing means I don't have words because that big you are doing. You just inspire me in every aspect, and I feel so confident and happy after talking with you, and that makes my day. Whenever I feel low, the way you make me realize or the strength you give me makes me feel so complete. You create positive vibes and happiness around you. That's your specialty. Thank you so much, Neil, for making me part of your obsession, and you are doing a great job, and so happy for you and so proud of you. I feel like blessed to have you in my life. Just do whatever you feel and whatever you like. Hope you are smiling while reading this. Last but not least, I'm always there for you, Nivi.
Maybe your obsession is obsession for many of us. We always love to join your obsession. We enjoy a lot in your obsession. The way you come up with new activities, the way you encourage everyone to express themselves is always infinite. Thank you, Nivi, for everything you do and take for us. Thank you for giving us your obsession, Pranit.
Yes, my dear Inti, you are best. You give your best in everything you do. Friendship, work, expressing. You always stood by my side and never let me down. Thank you for all the love and care. Your Supi. Hey Nivi, hashtag cat lover. You are becoming an amazing person day by day. You are a top expresser. I am very grateful to you. I am seeing your growth day by day. You are really a wonderful person who takes initiative all the time. Thank you so much for being in my life. I am so glad we got connected a lot in a little time. We will support each other when we are feeling low. I am getting inspired a lot through your obsession. You are involved in many things and balancing everything in a stable way. And you will never give up. You are becoming the best version of yourself. I wish all the very best for your future. We will definitely celebrate our success together. You are powerful, strong, and evergreen. You are thoughtful, kind, sweet, and caring. I am really obsessed with your top expressing. I am eagerly waiting to learn many more things from you. We have a very strong bond and we will definitely explore many things together. Love you lots, Nivi. And don't forget that I am always there for you. From Nisha. Thank you, Pranit, for the wonderful video. So Now let us get into another session, that is we thought to take you into Nivi's world of expression with a small video. Over to you, Pranit.
నేను Queen Victoria.
Just surrender అయిపోవాలంతే.
Wow, it is amazing video. Nivi's Blog Center. Okay, then there is another big surprise, you know. So here comes wonderful journey of our craziness. Over to you, Pranit.
तुझ पे मेरी है दावेदारियां, तुझसे है दिल की साझेदारियां, साझेदारियां। तुझ पे मेरी है दावेदारियां, तुझसे है दिल की साझेदारियां। तेरे बिन सांसें लूं तो जी ना सकूं, अब तू ही बता क्या मैं करूं, क्या करूं, क्या करूं। Girl, I need you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, never leave you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, never leave you। सुबह से शाम तक लम्हे बाहों में तेरी गुजारूं, चेहरा तेरे सामने रख के इस दिल में आँच उतारूं। हो आँखों का नशा गुलाबी अब रहा न जाए जरा भी, दूधे पर निश्चल पी लूं, तेरे नाम का बनूं शराबी, उतरे ना तेरी खुमारी, भूलूं मैं दुनिया सारी। हो गर्ल every time I see you, बढ़ती जाए बेताबी। Girl, I need you, girl, I need you, never leave you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, girl, I need you, never leave you।
आंखों से है ये नींद खफा, कि तेरी ओर चल पड़ा।
धड़कन से मेरी धड़कन अब जुड़ने लगी, क्या मैं करूं क्या करूं क्या करूं. Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Never leave you. Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Girl, I need you. Never leave you.
Yes, this is our journey till now, and this is our journey with Mananivi. So,
Wonderful,
and
very beautiful. Well done, team.
so we just want to surprise her, this obsession for her, for her efforts till now.
She will become emotional now.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, thank you. Nice hosting, Nishita and Spurti. Well
Thank
done.
you, Shivaka.
Wow, totally. My God, you guys are getting so good at expression. This is really fantastic. The way you started the presentation, the whole thing. Thank you. I just totally enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for attending. Before that, we'll present a gratitude card. Praneeth.
Praneeth, like, who made the video and everything? Very nice. Well done.
Credit goes to Praneeth.
Well done, Praneeth.
Hope you enjoyed News Obsession by Top Gratitude Team. Thank you for coming.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
I
Praneeth.
enjoyed. Thank you so much.
I thank you all for bearing us. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for sparing your valuable time with us. Let's catch up next session with our Mananivi. Thank you all for attending.